Let's learn how to remove animations and speed up your mobile. When I open some applications, you can see a small animation preview. We can remove this animation preview and speed up our mobile. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to accessibility option. Go to visibility enhancement option. In here, you can enable this remove animations option. Now I come to my home screen. You can see no any animation preview. The application open very fastly and close very fastly. In this method, you can remove animations on apps.